Hello. So here's what happened about a couple of weeks ago. I get a call, and on the other line, this lady says, "Ciao, can I talk to Afsha? I said, "You're Italian. I understand. You have difficulty with my name. Even I cannot say it sometimes." So this Italian lady was able to sell me these bathing suit cover-ups. FYI, if you want to sell me anything, talk with an accent. Okay, so these cover-ups are made of bamboo. Look at the nice packaging. They are made from bamboo, which is a plant. It's a plant-based cover-up. So hold on. It looks easy. Yeah. So voila. So this one is a kaftan. Everything is original prints by themselves. The fringing is all hand done. The finish of around the neck is beautifully done. One size fit all. You go in there like that. You know what I mean? It's a bathing suit cover-up. It's hypoallergenic. It is eco-friendly. It is antibacterial. And it's thermal. None of which I know what that means. All I can tell you is I loved the prints. So I'm like, Italian lady? I think her name is Lucia. Lucia, just send me the clothes. Okay, this is a shorter kaftan. The print is beautiful. The print is not dark, so your bathing suit kind of shows through. If you have a bathing suit in any of these colors, this would be beautiful. You can actually wear this with the shorter one, with a pair of jeans perhaps, like skinny jeans. Yes, you can wear skinny jeans, and like a wedge or a high heel. So where's at the top? Okay, more print. This looks like a botanical print. I wouldn't say this is my favorite print. Listen, I bought these from pictures. No, maybe actually I do like it. I do like it. I was trying to get prints that are not just too sheer. That can be, oh, this is the reason I bought the collection. Did I show you this? No, I didn't. This is the reason I bought the collection, is because of this kaftan. I love this print and the softest fabric. The prices are right below $200, I would say. One size fit all again. So anything from a size 2 to a size 12, this will fit. This is the longer kaftan. I got it in a shorter version as well. What is this one? This one is in the blue family. I know my people like the blue. Oh, this is the kimono. Kimono. So sleeves, you can wear it by itself, or voila, you can belt it. I love this print. Looks like a very Morocco type of a print. Look at the detail in the border. They feel light, they feel easy. They're perfect for this season. More colors. Which one is this? This is the long or the short? This is the long kaftan again. Beautiful print. I think, don't you see yourself at the Four Seasons Hotel somewhere wearing this to the pool? This is probably my favorite. Well, no, I don't know. You know what? I like them all. And I think that's all we have. Is there more? Did I show you this?
Yeah.
Grace?
Yes.
Yes, I did. Bueno, so, thank you, Italian lady, Luciana. Okay, call me. Bye.